Namaste, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. This is As Muhammad Khan, and I again welcome you with very interesting topic and very curious topic, that how can we improve our English. Yes, student, how can we improve our English? Like, English is the only language from which we can convert the whole world into global village. Like, if we want to know something about the world, then we should have the full command on this particular language. So how can we have the command on this language? For this, I will give you 4 tricks. Like, first trick that you should have in your daily life, that is your listening habit. Means you should listen more and more programs related to different topics in this particular language. With the help of that listening or that listening skill, you can have the vocabulary like a child. Like a child can learn English or his or her mother tongue with the help of listening only. So with the help of the listening, you can also learn the English language, or you can increase your vocabulary. After the listening, you should read more and more literature to English. With the help of that reading skill, you will have the command of the vocabulary, and with the help of the command on the vocabulary, you can frame your own sentences in English. So it is the second trick. After the reading, you should write. Means you should write only in English. If you write in English, then you will have the command on the word power or the vocabulary related to English. So with the help of listening, reading and writing, you can improve your English. If you will listen, read and write in English, then automatically you will think only in English. Means the dream that you will have in sleeping, those dreams you will also have in English. So with the help of that, you can improve your English. So students, you try to improve with the help of these particular tricks, like listen, read and write. And with this, automatically you will think and dream in English. And with the help of these tricks, you will have the fluency in this particular language. And if you will have the fluency in English or in this particular language, then automatically you will convert the whole world into the global village. Means with the help of that, you will know more and more about the world. Because the whole world knowledge we can have only with the help of this language. So these are the tricks. So in the last, I will say you that live and learn and have a great fun. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.